Hello everyone. I want to very explanation do that the explain for you guys, very brief explanation for my course. To be honest, this time and for this discussion board, I really had a hard time to do that. Again, my computer went crazy, and then after many, I don't know, I hope that I do the right one. I don't know if you see something different. I guess again I have to do that, and I have to redo it again. I hope I am doing in the correct way, because I try to contact with the Dr. Liz, and then I don't know how you guys want to explain it, but this is my course account that I made an account for myself. This is my picture. I didn't put any kind of information yet, but this is my dashboard. If you can see it here, I made a placement test, and still I am working for final exam to make kind of like a grammar or kind of like a course. But I wanted today just show you my placement test area. Still I am working on my my course, and then this is how everyone probably gonna see it. This is my course, this is my welcome page, this is a unit 1. As I said before, last section, I prefer to start my class with a placement test. Is right here. So for the placement test, students, they are in the level 2, but they need to get the placement test first. Then I can see how the grammars are, or how they can kind of handle the grammars. For the placement test, if you click here, or they're gonna take you to the quizzes, it's right here. And then if you just click here, let me see, lesson 1. My lesson 1 start from the quiz, so just click on the quiz, and then is a placement test. Should be somewhere, I'm sorry. I guess I kind of messed up. This is the quiz. Oh yes, I'm sorry. I guess I have to change this one. This is not a placement test. Sorry about that. I edited this one instead of the placement test. I would like to do this one, unit 1. Oh God. Then you guys are familiar better than me. So the students will start with the placement test. Is right here. It is right here. Sorry. This is a placement test that start with a kind of like very write like a quiz, and then they have to write here and then put the words in the correct way. So like they have to make a sentence. This is the example is here, and then they have to answer these 5 questions correctly. This is the only placement test that I provide for them. After they answering, as I said, like is a quiz 1 level 2, then I can find out what level they are, and then we can move on. As I said before, still I am working, so to my courses, I have only 1 courses for this quarter, which is on the winter, and then this is a placement test. Another one, I am working on that. I would like to add something as a grammar or other things. So here, so this is my brief explanation about the courses. I will kind of like try to show you here, but I don't know how. Copy this link and then put it in the Canvas, in the discussion board. Please, if you have a hard time to open it, let me know, because I need your feedback, because I tried to open for Sherry's, but I couldn't open it. So please let me know about it. I would like to know about you, but I don't know I am doing the wrong or right one. Maybe I have to again tonight at work, I have to again resubmit another one. Thank you so much, and you guys, all of you, have a great weekend.